can fly. Think I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in your eyes, even if we're strangers till we die.
All right, riders, I have the results of your walk up Banner Pleasure. Congratulations to your winner. That's number 20, Emerald B. Taylor Couture has arrived. Second place is 38, Third is 102, Gable Acres Single Constellation. Ava Messina with the ride. Fourth place,
Just you and I wanna run, chase the morning sun. When I'm with you, give it all away, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough.
your reserve champion today in your walk-trot division. Third place is going to be 38, that's Ray Wilson, JJ Claire. With that, Rain and JJ are your champions today. Fourth place is going to be 186, that's Megan Purdy, and with Apollo Bluff. Fifth place is 198, that's Charlotte Gardner and Big. And sixth place is number 10.